Hi, I'm Marco, and today on El Mundo Eats we're going to make caramelized onion tartlets with camembert, an extremely easy appetizer you can make these holidays. This recipe comes together very quick, so let's preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Here I have a camembert cheese, but you can also use brie or any cheese that melts easily, and I'm going to cut it in small pieces like this. And to make this recipe very easy, I'm going to use store-bought puff pastry. In reality, I always use store-bought puff pastry because making it takes a lot of work and it's not worth it in my opinion. So I cut the puff pastry in 16 pieces of approximately 3 by 3 inches. And then I cut a smaller square in the center of each piece, but I don't go all the way through with the knife. Then, using a fork, I mark all the inside of this smaller square. This is what's going to create the tart shape by allowing the edges to puff up. Then I paint only the edges with some egg wash. It's okay if some egg go here and there. You don't have to be so precise. That's the beauty of this recipe, that it's so easy. Now here I have caramelized onion. In my case it's a store-bought caramelized onion, but you can make it homemade if you want. Put a teaspoon on each square and then a piece of the camembert on top. And now I'm gonna take it to the oven and I'm gonna bake it for 30 minutes in the middle rack with the fan on. This is one of the quickest and easiest appetizers you can make. You only need to buy 3 ingredients to make these beautiful and delicious tartlets in no time. I like to decorate with some fresh herbs, like in my case I'm using rosemary. And there you have it, your perfect appetizer for your next hosting with minimum effort. This is amazing. Unbelievable!